Hey, it's Cherie from Big Notes Get Votes, and today I'm coming back at you with habits that are really going to help you improve your confidence in your singing. And this is a really important one. I need you to make time. Schedule out some time that you are going to practice. Now, the amount of time is up to you, and it's based very individually on where you're at in your development. If you're starting out, vocalizing for 15 minutes is fine. You can build up to 60 minutes or however long you need based on what you're working towards. It's not a one size fits all situation. Just like working out at the gym, you need to tailor it because your muscles are training, your voice muscles are training, and maybe doing something new. If you're doing a vocal workout you haven't done before, or you're trying new singing techniques, if you're working with a coach, you're going to need to be gentle with yourself and start small and build it up. Also, create the amount of time that's based on what you're working towards. So if you were going to the gym and you were going to run a marathon, your training would be a little more intense than if you were just working on your cardiovascular fitness so that you could go for a long walk with your family, and feel good about it, feel fit. So I want you to tailor your vocal workouts in the same way that you would tailor any kind of other training that involves your muscles. Take into account how your muscles are right now and then plan accordingly. But if I was to give you a template, let me say 15 to 16 minutes, 3 to 5 times a week with some very solid rest time is a smart idea.